Hi friends, welcome to Swar Saptak once again after a long time. I'm just making a short video for a tutorial in Audacity. In case you want to watch this tutorial in Hindi, please hit the link above, and if you're comfortable listening in English, please carry on. So what we are going to learn in this video tutorial that how you can record any audio, any system audio or audio from YouTube or any other streaming video or your audio. If the audio all you are interested in, this is a tutorial for you. And this recording is going to be very high quality, like the quality normally plays through YouTube or anything. No distortion, no change, no degradation of the audio. So let's jump in. When you open the Audacity, you see this interface, and you see MME in the driver here. Yeah, we have to make a change and select the Windows was API. By the way, this tutorial is only for Windows. So select that, and as an input, you will see that you have many options. I am using my headphones, so I'll select headphone. In case you are listening to speakers, you'll select speakers. So headphone, and it is loop back. So basically whatever the sound comes from the systems, it will loop back to the Audacity. So that's the input you should select. And obviously our audio will be in stereo. So I'll select stereo, not mono. And this is by default will come whatever you're listening to. If you're listening to speaker, the speakers will come. Right now I'm in headphones. I'll select headphones. That's it. That will do the job. In case you want to see whether sound is coming or not, you can hit the mic and start monitoring. And I'm going to play an audio here. And you see the activity in the monitoring. So that is optional, of course. You can stop it. I'm going to record audio from my video, and I'm using my own video to avoid the copyright strike. But you can record any YouTube video for that matter. So let's hit the record here, and it is ready now. Now hit the play button. Play and listen first. So you can see that recording is done, and it is almost a very clean and quality recording. As you can see, it is the same quality what we were hearing. No degradation. And this way you can record any audio. So I'm going to delete this track because I don't need this. And I'll move to my YouTube Studio. Everybody has that. In case you have an account on YouTube, you have YouTube Studio, and there is an audio library available which actually provides 1800 plus copyright free music, free of cost. Thank you, YouTube, for that. And we are going to record some of the audios from here. For example, I hit the record button here and play any of the track, maybe this Stoic and the Seller. So this way you can record the full track or the partial track, the portion of the track, and you can record the whole thing and then edit the unnecessary part which you don't want to keep from the beginning or the end or from the middle. You can record from your system also. For example, this track from my own system, if I play on the VLC, I can record that too. I hit the record button here and play this track. Why you will do that, it's up to you. We need that sometimes. For example, we want to record a few portion of an audio from a long video or movie or something. So this is going to be useful in that case. That's all in this video, friends. In case you like these kind of videos, I am very soon going to switch to Reaper and started making tutorial for Reaper. And in case you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In case you don't want to, that's also fine. So see you next video. Bye.